Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar auto hide issue in Windows 11. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is press Windows and I keys. Check and uncheck automatically hide the taskbar. Third method is Windows and I keys. Uncheck Show Badges on Taskbar apps. Fourth method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.